Students, in the last video, we discussed about electrical conductivity. What do you mean by electrical conductivity? The measure of the ability of a substance to allow the flow of electric current is known as electrical conductivity. Then we discuss about the electrical conductivity of water and other liquids, and also we saw about electrolysis. Now in this video we'll be discussing about uses of electrolysis and electroplating. Let's see the uses of electrolysis. Students, the process of electrolysis has many important industrial applications. Some of them are as follows. The first one, in metallurgy. Electrolysis is used in industries for the production of many metals like aluminum, magnesium, etc., and also for the production of non-metals like chlorine, fluorine, etc. Next use, in refining of metals such as copper, zinc, etc. In submarines, oxygen produced by electrolysis of water is used for breathing, and in electroplating of metals. Now we'll be seeing about electroplating. So what do you mean by electroplating? The method of coating one metal with another using an electric current is known as electroplating. अगर हम इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग को तुम जनरली देखें ना, तो जैसे हम बुक के ऊपर कवर चढ़ाते हैं, वैसे ही एक मेटल के ऊपर दूसरी मेटल का कोट करेंगे, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. उस प्रोसेस को हम इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग कहते हैं. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल देखें तो ज्वेलरी के ऊपर हम सोने का पानी चढ़ाते हैं, तो वो हमें क्या लगता है कि ये गोल्ड की है, बट रियली वो गोल्ड की नहीं होती है, वो कोई भी दूसरे मेटल की ज्वेलरी होती है और उसके ऊपर हम गोल्ड प्लेटिंग करते हैं, या तो हम कह सकते हैं सोने का पानी चढ़ाया है और दिखता क्या है कि ये गोल्ड की ज्वेलरी है. तो ये किससे हम सोने का पानी चढ़ाते हैं? तो कोई बाय द मेथड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग? The method of coating one metal with another using an electric current is known as electroplating. Now we will see how this method is carried out, that is of electroplating. And what are the steps? First, what you have to do, the object to be coated is made cathode. मीन्स जिस ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर मुझे कोटिंग करनी है उस ऑब्जेक्ट को मुझे कैथोड पे लेना पड़ेगा. नाउ अबाउट एनोड. एनोड, द मेटल टू बी यूज्ड फॉर कोटिंग शुड बी एनोड. मीन्स जिस मेटल की कोटिंग करनी है, गोल्ड की, सिल्वर की, उसे मुझे कहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा? एनोड पे. एंड नेक्स्ट, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, द सॉल्यूशन of a soluble salt of the metal to be deposited. Now इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्यूशन में अगर मुझे कॉपर की कोटिंग करनी है तो मुझे कॉपर सल्फेट लेना पड़ेगा. अगर मुझे गोल्ड की लेनी है तो उस हिसाब से मुझे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सॉल्यूशन लेना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग और द जनरल सेटअप of electroplating. The process of electroplating again. See on the screen the diagram. What you can see in the diagram? Battery, 2 electrode, beaker and solution in the beaker. So what you have taken as a cathode? The object to be electroplated is at cathode. Anode, metal to be used for coating is at anode, and as an electrolyte the solution of a soluble salt of metal to be deposited is taken as an electrolyte. So this is how the process of electroplating takes place. Now we'll see an activity based on electroplating. Hope after seeing the video, the concept of electroplating is clear. Now, moving further, we'll be discussing about how the electroplating is useful by discussing few examples. Here are they. First one, electroplating is used for decoration. For example, cutlery, statues, jewelries are made up of cheap metals, are coated with expensive metals such as gold, silver to enhance their look. So, what the electroplating is used as decoration. Electroplating is also used to prevent corrosion. Metals that corrode easily are protected by coating them with a metal that does not corrode easily. Nickel and chromium are widely used in automobile industry for coating. You can see in the picture also, in first corrosion has taken place, but in second figure you can see it has been electroplated. So the life of this machinery parts, or you can say automobile parts, will be long. In chrome plating, that is plating of chromium, a skinny coating of chromium metal on iron and metal objects make the iron and the metal objects seems bright and appealing, as well as protect them from corrosion or rusting. So this is the process of electroplating is helpful to prevent corrosion. Electroplating is used in the manufacture of printed circuit boards. Students, what is printed circuit boards? A small circuit with component generally printed on plastic board are known as printed circuit boards, and these boards are used in television, computer and other appliances. On the screen, you can see two printed circuit board. So, electroplating is used in manufacturing of such boards. ATM card and SIM cards have chip. I know you might be knowing or you have seen this chip on your SIM card, because nowadays we are doing our studies on mobile itself and everybody is very smart. Yes, you people are very smart, so you might be knowing about the chip. But this chip is made by electroplating a small portion of card with metal like gold or silver. So the process of electroplating is used for making the chip on ATM or SIM cards. So students, electroplating is used for decoration purpose, to prevent corrosion and for manufacturing of circuit board. Students, let us summarize what we studied in this chapter. First, we studied about electrical conductivity. What is it? The measure of the ability of a substance to allow the flow of electric current is known as electrical conductivity. Then we saw pure water is a poor conductor of electricity, but when impurities such as salts, acid or bases are dissolved in water, it becomes good conductor of electricity. Then an electrolytic cell uses electric current to produce chemical reaction, and on passing an electric current through an electrolyte causes a chemical reaction which can be observed as a formation of bubbles or deposition of metals on electrode, or as a change in color in an electrolyte. Then we saw that electrolysis is commonly used for coating one metal with another, and this process is known as electroplating. And in the last we discussed the applications of electroplating, that is, it is used for decoration, it is used to prevent corrosion, and also electroplating is used in the manufacturing of printed circuit board. So this is what we discussed in the chapter. Students, please go through the chapter, read the chapter properly and see the videos for your better understanding of the chapter. Thank you.